Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I know it's a long time, no video. I got to a time in my life where I was not able to film as much just because my life got really busy and hectic. And I was like, no one really cares anyways. And then I was like, I thought about this probably about a week ago and I was like, I think I'd really like to start filming again because it's like the time of year where I really like to film like vlogs and stuff like that, and I just think it would be fun to like film my reselling journey. I've actually grown a lot in reselling in this past in the past few months, so that is awesome. So yeah, this video is not about reselling. No, this video is about decluttering because I just felt so overwhelmed. We rearranged some things. We put this desk in here. Ignore the mess that's back there. But we moved this desk in here. It was in our room and it had like some of my makeup stuff on it. I used to be, my dog has very strong opinions about this. I used to be really into doing my makeup, collecting makeup, all of those things. I used to spend a ton of money on makeup. Actually, I used to have a channel dedicated to doing makeup. Well, I still love makeup. Now I am a cosmetic chemist, so I make makeup for a small business. I'll have that business linked down below. It's Ageless Agape. It's tallow-based makeup, if you're familiar with tallow at all. If not, it's really good for your skin. Check it out. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I don't do my makeup much anymore. I also really don't have a ton of time to do my makeup, and I want to use the products that I make. So we're going through my makeup, we're getting rid of stuff. I don't talk during it because whenever I film this, I just needed to just kind of sit down and do it and not even think about it. I will say I kept a lot of palettes because, like a lot of eye palettes and stuff, because that is really what I enjoyed collecting. So yeah, but I feel like I got rid of a good amount that was just sitting, and I was able to consolidate it down to just 2 drawers, and then like basically everything I've created in a little basket that I keep in my bathroom. I also want to say, if you do enjoy this, please be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That way then I know, and maybe I can take you through more declutters in the future of like just things in my home, because my husband and I, we're constantly decluttering our house. So yeah, let's get started.